Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2024, 25, 26 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from the Bipro, they are hiring for intern yellow. Job location is Bangalore and this is the job description. So this is your internship based program and this exciting internship is a part of North American transformation team. So these are the responsibility. You will collaborate with global teams and senior leader on internal initiative. Initiative will offer practical experience and exposure. Participate in key meetings with partner leader and cross functional stakeholder. So if you are interested for this, then you can apply. 2025 as well as 2024 students are eligible for this important job. Next important hiring from the Front M Limited. They are hiring for JavaScript development and stipend is 30 to 50,000 per month and duration is 6 months. So joining date is immediate. So if you are immediate joiner, then you can apply for this internship. This is a great opportunity. So who can apply? So only those candidates who can means available for full-time internship can start the internship between 12 Jan to 16 Feb. So if you are comfortable with these, then you can apply. And perks and benefit you will get certificate, letter of recommendation, and total number of openings are 2. So apply as soon as possible. Next important opportunity for the software engineering intern backend. So Sense is hiring for this. This is the job description. So what will you do? You will collaborate with engineers on designing and implementing backend and use Redis and other things. Okay, so who you are means who are eligible. So if you are pursuing bachelor's master in computer science engineering or related discipline, then you are eligible for this. Means 2026 pass out batch can apply. And if you have some knowledge of MySQL, NoSQL and AWS service, then you are eligible for this. This is one of the important things, and they have clearly mentioned that if you are available for interview face to face in the Bangalore, then only you have to apply. Next important opportunity, Sense can hiring for the they are hiring freshers and this is the important job role. So who are eligible? Bachelor's in engineering technology or master's in technology, MCA, BCA, MSc, all are eligible. So marks and CGPA 7.5 require. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you can go through it. And this is the selection process. First is the written assessment, then technical interview and HR interview. So work location is Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata and Pune. So if you are interested, you can apply. This is one of the important job hiring. And friends, I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So if you are interested, you can apply. Next important hiring from the B-Link. They are hiring the HR or IT recruiter. So if you are interested for this job role, you can share your resume to this mail ID. Next important opportunity, that is from the video. They are hiring fresher and the job role is graduate analyst. So they are hiring graduate analyst for 6-month contractual role on field forensic market intelligence. So if you have interest in these, then you can share your resume. So what will the key responsibility? You will be responsible for conduct on field market intelligence and informations and other things. You can go through it. Okay friends, I will provide all the apply link in the description from where you can get directly access to it. Next important, they are hiring for tech interns and backend intern, Node.js, Golang, and these are the important things. Last important hiring from for the 2025 pass out batch. So if you are interested, then you can apply. So these all are important hiring. For getting such important job date, you can subscribe and support us. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.